Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you just saw my previous video, I just finished doing my hair. So today I'm just gonna cut curtain bangs and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Now, I really recommend you guys to go out and buy yourself a cheap pair of hair cutting scissors. But if you go to your local beauty supply, you can definitely just buy a pair for like $20. It's really not that expensive. All you really need is like water and shears. Oh, and then clips, of course. I literally lose everything, but if you have like flat metal clips, this is better for you. I also have these ones. These ones are okay, but they just like don't hold that well. Just because you want to put the hair away from your face. Oh, and you need a comb. Gosh damn it. I just had to dig through all my stuff to find a fucking comb. And of course, it's like all bent and ugly, but it does not matter. So we're cutting curtain bangs, okay? If you don't know what curtain bangs are, which I'm sure by now, if you're on social media, you know what they are. It's they kind of come out to here and then they curve like a curtain would, and that's where they get their name. So I'm just going to get my section. So you want to create a guide that you can follow. So I'm going to start that guide right down the center. This part is pretty important. This will determine the length of your curtain bangs. I like to bring my section out and then bring it down, seeing where I want to cut, and then that's where I cut. Grabbing it from this corner and then coming down. Get this section with half of the old section and over direct the opposite way. And you kind of want to point it down with your fingers directing down. All right, I'm just going to cut it like this so you guys can see it, but then you cut at an angle. This side done. I'm pretty much just going to do the same exact thing on this side. Grab your middle section and blow it back. And that was pretty much it. Now I'm just styling my hair. If you have a smaller brush than this one, like an inch, inch and a quarter, it would be way easier. Just saying. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and I will see you guys here next time. Bye!